Yep, that's me. Just sleeping away. Not a care in the world. Look, don't I look happy? Oh, wait, there's my dream. Oh, what a great place. Just hanging out, having my favorite drink. I was relaxing on the beach. AC floating around. That's great. And where are the cocktail waiters in their thongs? A girl needs a drink around here. Oh, wow. What an amazing dream. It was like paradise. That's wonderful. What time was my nail appointment today? Oh, and wasn't I supposed to go shopping with Allison? Oh yeah, and then we were gonna go have lunch. It's gonna be sushi too. Oh, my favorite. Or so I thought. Oh, come on. Is this a joke? Where did all this water come from? Oh my god, what happened? How could this happen? Today of all days. Oh my god, this thing can cost a fortune. What am I gonna do? What am I gonna do? Okay, so the first thing to do is turn off the power. The next thing to do is turn off the water. The final thing to do is hop me on it. Another beautiful day.